Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I forgot what Tri-State was sending me. I got it, Tri-State, thank you, but I forgot what's in here. So make sure you subscribe to Tri-State EDC if you haven't. I don't know why you wouldn't already be, but if you're not, subscribe. Let's go ahead and find out what this is. As per usual, I will link any and all information about the contents of this package right down in the description so that you can conveniently go and find out what it is. As per usual, it does help my channel when you use those links before you buy something, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's see here. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go in the wrong way. Yeah, I woke up this morning and chose violence. So that's how I live my life, you know. It's pretty hardcore. What other knife puns can I make? Living on the edge. Is that clever? Oh God. Just fill the time with dialogue till we actually get in there. There we go. Okay. So, oh, we got a dense pound. Oh, it's the Null. What is this? What is this? There's a note. Good. Thank God. Hang on. Yes, of course, the Raikou. Like, so I feel like there was the Raiden and there was the Voodoo, and this is the Raikou. And so initially I thought there was like a theme of like electricity, and so I figured that this was a reference to like the Pokemon Raikou. Maybe not. Maybe Raikou means something different. I'm sure it does. The Null Master Raikou is the 4th installment, the newest folder in the NK lineup. In essence, Raikou is a Wharncliffe version of the Raiden. However, it's more than just a blade swap. Okay, consider it. Oh, God of Thunder. Okay, well, wait. No. Raiden's a God of Thunder and Lightning. Raikou is better known as the Thunder Beast, whose physical form usually takes on that of a fox cloaked in lightning. Right. Okay, that makes sense. That's why the Pokemon looks like that. All right. I'm going to get out the other knives in this line here, because I've got a couple. So we have this. We got the red. Let's go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it. Now. Hey there, guy. Oh boy, I'll tell you what. I'm a big fan of that right off the bat. That works, and that is very smooth and very good. Ooh, that little fuller there is so beautifully placed. See, Tri-State did me the favor of pre-using it. That is really nice. Gosh darn it. Let me. I gotta get out my. All right, here we are. So I have the Voodoo right here, and then I also have 2 of the Raiden. Got the black and the bronze, and then I have the stonewashed. So I can't remember exactly how I ended up with 2. But so this is there's some other changes, and he's got them all listed down. But it is sort of a Wharncliffe version of the Raiden, and yeah, I like it. You can see the overall profile of the blade is a little more narrow, folded up. Boy, it really is. It's extremely similar. I'm sure there's some other changes though. As far as smoothness between the two, these are really nice. This guy is unbelievably smooth. Maybe it's because it's just gone through a break-in period. I don't know. Maybe he changed did he change the D10 a little bit? Did we change the thumb studs? No, the thumb studs look to be the same. Blade thickness looks to be the same, right? Backspace is the same. Oh, we changed the curvature of the pocket clip. It actually it looks a little better. Yeah, I think so. Still no lefty position, and we do not have the lanyard hole. Not on this guy. No, we just opted to remove that completely. Do we have that same thing on the black one? Yeah, we do. Okay. Everything that this guy makes, it just ends up being absolutely fantastic, and this really feels to be much of the same. We have a steel lock bar insert that doubles as the over travel stop. We have no blade play or anything like that, no lock stick. Very easy access to the lock bar. No idea when these will be available. I'm sure that if he's not currently taking pre-orders, he will be. I mean, that's why they send stuff like this around, right? God, that's just a... This area looks like it would not be comfortable, right? And the step here, it looks like it wouldn't be, but I'm telling you it is. There's a reason why everybody who's ever reviewed this knife has said the same thing. It just doesn't look like it would be comfortable, right? But it is. So okay, so this is the Raikou. We gotta measure it real quick. I'm a huge fan of like everything that he has come out with, so I'm gonna continue to purchase and support Null knives for sure. 8 inches, so it's the same. But we still have that. It's amazing that he managed to get 3.6 inches of blade here, and then 3.35 inches of cutting edge. Let's take a look at the inside. Did we get, what does this say right here? Raikou Proto 3. Okay. We do have internal milling for weight reduction. I was going to say it doesn't really feel all that heavy. We'll weigh all of these just so we can compare. I don't know. I feel like there's always somebody who just wants to know, even if you don't plan to pick it up, right? Weight on the new guy. Wow, 3.5 ounces. That's a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. Or 1 ounce of weight to 1 inch of blade, which is nice. And, you know, sometimes you get perfect balance with that and sometimes you don't. But in this case, it looks like the balance is slightly behind the pivot, which is really good. Is that more or less than the Raiden? It's a little bit less. How about the Voodoo? The Voodoo's got to be the heaviest, right? Maybe it's just got more carbon fiber on it now. 4.06. It's definitely the largest knife I think that he's done. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. Yeah, I like this a lot. I think that's a good looking Wharncliffe profile. Definitely. And even with it being more narrow, or not quite as tall as the blade on the Raiden, I think he did a good job with the aesthetics. I wonder why this one feels so unbelievably smooth. Oh man, this is S90V. Hold on a moment. S90V, 60 to 61 HRC. Here is, he actually listed everything out. So you guys can pause this if you want to. Oops, I must have bumped the camera, my bad. So, updates and then specifications there. Very cool. It says blade length is 3.45 inches. That is not right. Maybe he's talking about the cutting edge. I'm telling you, you are a lot more than... The 3.5 inch line is way before the blade ends. I mean, if you measure it all the way at the bottom, you're at 3.75. 3.45 inches of blade. He must be talking about... He's talking about the cutting edge. That's what he's talking about. Okay. Yeah, the Raiden's cool. Definitely. More exciting stuff from Null Knives. Absolutely. All info will be linked down below. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.